Ever heard of a rental place so good it wins awards? Strap in for an award winning revelation.
Hey there, Bianca. I just found this amazing place in Detroit that won a Booking.com award.
An award, you say? Now that's a rare find. What's the scoop?
Detroit Furnished Rentals. They've been recognized for outstanding traveler reviews. You know it's legit when the guests leave happy.
For sure, happy travelers are the heart of the hospitality biz. So what makes these rentals award-winning material?
The place caters to everyone. Festival goers, families, LGBTQ community, runners, cyclists, you name it. Plus it's super cozy and stylish.
Sounds inclusive. I bet they have a health-conscious menu for clean eaters too?
Absolutely. They're all about supporting a healthy lifestyle. It's like they thought of everything. And you get to delve into Detroit's vibrant culture too. The Riverwalk, art scene, and the nightclubs.
Exploring the city must be a blast. It's a treat for solo travelers and groups alike. Alrighty, you've sold me. How do I book?
Just hop onto their website, DetroitFurnishedRentals.com, and check out the All Properties tab, select the loft you like, enter your travel dates, and get ready for an award-winning stay.
Excited for an escape to Detroit with top-tier accommodations? Check out Detroit Furnished Rentals and let us know your dream experience in the comments.